What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I decided I would make for you yet another Negroni variation. And I thought it would be nice because, first of all, Negronis are very popular, as the views on our channel can attest to. Everybody's loving a Negroni. And then secondly, I thought it would be kind of cool because this particular Negroni, which is called the Gloria, or Gloria actually, was done by Trader Vic. So a lot of people know Trader Vic as the guy who was like the second massive tiki god in California, but a lot of people don't realize that he actually made some classic style drinks, and one of them is this awesome drink, which is kind of both a martini variation and a Negroni variation. It kind of reminds me of another drink that I did, which was my own original cocktail, called the Locals Only, which was both a Negroni variation and a martini variation. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do. So let's get into it straight away. First thing we're gonna do is uncap the bottle, half an ounce of dry vermouth, half an ounce of Campari, half an ounce of Cointreau, and 1.5 ounces of Beefeater. And we're going to crack our ice. Wow, that one didn't really crack that well. Come on. There we go. Oh, and we'll put a big one on top. And we'll stir. It helps to hold the base of the glass when you stir. There we go. I think that's about right. That seems like it's back to down to temp. And then we do an orange twist. Voila. And there you have it, my friends. Trader Vic's Gloria, which was first published, I forgot to tell you, in Trader Vic's Bartending Guide in 1947. All right, let's taste it. I mean, that gin is right up on front, and you got the Cointreau and the Campari really good together. And then obviously that fresh orange, you know. Provided, you know, also like the sweetness from the sweet vermouth kind of comes. I said sweet vermouth, but it was dry vermouth. The sweetness from the dry vermouth comes up through pretty well as well. Yeah. I mean, people who love a martini are going to love that drink, and the people who love a Negroni are going to love that drink too. So make it at home and enjoy it. The Gloria.